everybody, I'm Allie.
Hi everybody, I'm Hannah.
And we have some new products to feature and to show you. And these are new from
PotomacBeads, new to the warehouse, just ready to show you guys.
And we're gonna show you all the new contents that we added in May. This is just a small sampling, so if you want to check out the full selection of what is new, go ahead below the video page here in the description and click on that link to see everything that is on the What's New page.
So one of the new things that we just received in the warehouse is 3 new kits. We have the Mountains Calling necklace, the Endless Beauty earrings, and the Destination leather wrap bracelet.
And the nice thing with it is if you get the subscription kit, you've already gotten them. But I know I've seen a couple of people purchase more of that Destination leather wrap because it's really fun and it's really cool. So these come to the warehouse after they actually are available for that month, and you can purchase them at regular price. Remember, if you want them ahead of time, get the kit because then they're cheaper than get them all independently.
Yep.
The kits also come all with needle thread or anything that you would need to make them, like the leather as well. So get over there and check out all of our kits that we have available as well. Additionally, here we have this that's making me hungry for like sorbet or something. These are new Czech pressed bicones. So they go really well with the crystal bicones, but they have a little bit more of a deepness or a depth to them. Available in 4 and 5 and 6s, and there's a lot of great colors here. So which one's your favorite?
I think my favorite may just have to be this color right here.
That little purple
like
swirl.
Light amethyst, yes, just because of the
swirling effect with you.
Yeah.
I'm like really drawn to this bright orange, that opaque orange color. That brightness, actually the whole top row I kind of want to create with. And these actually are a new product and they are in limited quantities.
Yep.
And where can you find them on the website, like if people are looking for them?
You can find these on under our Potomac Picks little section on our website.
And the Potomac Picks also mean that they are usually in limited quantities. So get on over and check out those pressed bicones as well, and all of this sorbet of beautiful colors.
I can't wait to see.
So in addition to the Potomac Picks, we have more Potomac Picks or collections that are coming in. And the nice thing about this is kind of this bundling. And look at these purple. They are beautiful with this.
Irisy.
So you're getting all of these amethyst A, B in the group in this selection. So if you end up making jewelry, selling it, this is like a great way to buy.
Right, totally.
Because it saves you all of that time, effort of 1 strand, 2 strands, 3 strands. You're getting them all together. And then I like that these are the first of many of these. So we have the 4mm faceted rounds here, and we have some rondelles. And they are what size there?
These are 2 by 3mm.
And you get how many strands
That
in those
looks
guys?
like
6 strands
yep.
of those long rondelles. And then those will accompany well the colors, actually. Some new metal. Metal's always fun.
Yes.
So which ones are your favorites of these new metals?
Oh my gosh,
too?
I love these feathered wings. I cannot wait to see what people make with them.
So these were actually in our kit box for our treasure box rather this month. And if you need more and you got the treasure box, we now have them available online, as well as these antique copper drops. And then the angel wings, because you want to start thinking about the holidays, which is kind of crazy. And to go on the bottom of your angels, your dragonfly, your feathered wings, we've got some new brightness.
Got some new tassel packs.
New tassel packs. And I love that these are already in color combos and color creations. We don't have to think about like what different colors we need to use. We've got some short ones and some long ones. And you'll notice that these accompany one another. So if you want to get short and long that match, you can get those 2 different sizes. These are going to be your 3 centimeters, and then these are your 7 centimeters. So if you were going to get these packs of some of the neutrals and some of those, which ones are calling your name of the tassels? What's your color pick?
I would say probably this.
That one?
Yep,
those go well
right
with
there.
my bicones.
Yes,
so
I was
if
going to say, maybe you should do some.
I know, maybe we should do something with the bicones. They make me want to dance. I love earrings that show like all of these stacked along the bottom, so excited to see all of these fun summer vibes coming at you. Thanks so much for everybody for joining in. Thank you, Hannah.
Thank you, Allie.
It's always fun to see what comes new to the warehouse floor. I didn't even know those tassels came in and that they were here. So it's fun to see all of this new selection and for you to bring up and for me to say, yeah, make something with it.
Right.
I accept your challenge.
Can't wait.
If you want to see all of the different new products coming, again, go below the video. There's a link to what's new at Potomac Beads, and we're happy to keep posting and sharing. So until next month, we'll show you what was new this June here. Stay shopping, stay having fun, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any videos with us using the projects and showing you how here with Potomac Beads.